So, are you looking for a new construction home in the Las Vegas Valley for under 500K? Even more so, under 450K? I've got you covered. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for visiting. Remember, as always, like and subscribe so that way you can still get notifications as to when the new videos come out. Today we are sticking with Richmond American Homes, and we're going to take a look at the Oleander model that can be found throughout the Las Vegas Valley. This is an 1,800 square feet model, 2-car garage, 2-story, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, open floor plan. You don't want to miss this, and it's under 400K. The prices are starting in the 390s. So check it out, and if you want more information about it, hit me up and I will gladly give you more details or give you your own personal tour. So don't miss it. Have fun.